don't usually like to get them as bad as this. For this experiment I left them for a while. We're using the F OFF Iron Fallout Remover. Got this in the subscription box. We have seen in a previous video, so we'll give this a liberal going over this. I'm hoping the actual squirter in the bigger bottle, not the sample one, is a lot easier to use than this, which is a bit awkward. I'm doing it one-handed, of course. Get the old brake caliper as well, so we can get that clean. And I think you leave this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Get inside the drum as well. See how it's really bad in there. These are quite clean, these wheels. Just stink. Most iron fallout removers seem to smell not as bad as the Troll's Breath by Pro Clean. That really does stink. Okay, so I'll continue with this and give it a good, so it's gone red already. Give it a good dousing over with this. It'll be easier than doing it with one hand. And we'll come back and have a look. That's been about 10 minutes, as you can see. Pretty red, looks like the wheels are bleeding. So hopefully now, just give it a hose off with the jet wash. We'll see how clean they are. I will give them a scrub anyway. Some shampoo, some snow foam, just to make sure they're all nice and clean. And the spokes, etc. Let's get behind here. Make sure this is all clean. But yeah, give it a quick jet wash. It's just a hose off, so what I think I'll do, get my finger out of the way of the camera, so what I think I'll do now is I will give it a repeat application, and I think I'll just go in with the detail brush, clean all these little bits off, get it as nice and as clean as I can. But for one application it's not too bad, pushing this off. It's just these bits in here I don't like. I think like it does need some actual contact to actually remove it, but for a contactless wheel clean it's not too bad. I'll repeat the application and we'll hit it with a detail brush. Yeah, it's not the best squeezing nozzle in the world, but then it's just like I say, it's just a sample job. Contact wash. Wheel brush in there, in the barrel. Okay, just give it another rinse, see what we got. Not bad at all. Yeah, like I say, it still needs a proper shampoo and a proper clean, but I think I can agree, a bit missing there. So I'll go over again with a proper shampoo, getting all the edges, but for a quick clean, not too bad, not bad product at all. So iron can F off.